Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we got a quick guess what's in the box video on this giant box behind me. Box is 6 foot 9 inches. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so we're just going to do a quick guess what's in the box video. This is a pretty large box. This box is 6 foot 9 inches, I believe. Stupid thing, come on. Yep, 6 foot 9 inches. It's 81 inches total in height. The box is 24 inches wide on one panel, and then let's see, what's this side right here? $17 inches on the back, or this centerpiece right here, 17 inches wide. It's a pretty big box. What do you guys think is in it? It is kind of awkward, to be honest. I've gotten a lot of these boxes I've gotten have been pretty damaged, not very packaged very well, which is kind of aggravating. So I've already seen this one, guys. This one I've already opened, but this one I had to open. I opened it in front of the FedEx driver, and look at this. This box. It's like 2 feet, 2.5 feet tall, and it's about an 8 inches, 9 inches wide. But literally, look what's in it. There's 2 small items, 1 large item, and a medium-sized item. Look how much space is in this box. There's no wrapping, there's no extra extra cushion, nothing. It's just the parts are put in it, and then the parts can fly around and bounce however much they like. That's something I'm a little aggravated about. I'm gonna suspect this box has been sitting here for a couple days. The one I just showed you, this one right here, is actually just showed up a few minutes ago. So I'm gonna suspect that the one I just showed you that just showed up, it's not very well packaged. I bet you this one isn't either. But in the next video, we're going to take it out the box. We're going to look at the items. I'm going to show you what they are. But it's a decent sized box. I'm sure that I would fit in it. You know, I'm 6'3", so it's a little bit taller than me. But you know, I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Just a quick video. I gotta clean up that pile right there. Just haven't been feeling well. The throat, my throat hurts. It's very sore. I think I might be sick again. I might have to. I have a constant cough, so I probably have the flu again or something. But I'll get things cleaned up. I did finally get this tote cleaned up. I actually brought this tote in from outside. This actually has light bulbs in it. Automotive light bulbs. So I cleaned up and I made sure that all the bulbs that were free floating by accident in this container that I didn't realize they were free floating, I actually packaged in Ziploc bags with paper towels. And then I labeled those Ziplocs and I put them in a bag, and then I put that bag inside of this bag to protect them. But that's why this is in here. I was actually reorganizing that box. But that's about it, guys. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the channel, checking out the video. It is a big box, but not too big. It's only a few inches bigger than me. It's about 6 inches taller than me, to be specific. But we'll open it on the next video. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!